Welcome on board and to another episode of Salty Mechanics. If you don't know much about this channel, I can tell you it's about boats and engines on the docks of Norway. Now, in this episode, I have no clue what I want to do. All I know is that I've been sick for a few days. I don't feel too great. I've been home for 2-3 days and I haven't been home sick for years. So there's something in the air. But I feel a little bit better now. I just started filming on board this beautiful Channel and I'm dealing with this wonderful Yanmar engine 4-cylinder, which I never have much issues with. It's the JH series from Yanmar. It smokes a little bit. So I agreed with the customer to take out the valves and see what's what. I don't even know if this episode is going to be about this, but I guess it's a start. Alright, let's go. So since this is a 4-cylinder engine, we have 4 different valves, and the valve lines, or wherever you call them, they come from the high pressure pump and go straight into the valves right here in the bonnet. So now I'm gonna have to remove the seal right here to be able to actually remove the top lid. So the diesel injection valves are actually okay, but I do have a couple of issues with some of the nozzles. And I talked to the customer and he said just order the parts you need. So that means I'm gonna have to wait a couple of days so that I can do this 100%. So that means let's just continue this in another episode. All right. It is October. Can you imagine how fast time flies? I feel like it was just about a minute ago since I was craving summer. I was waiting and I just couldn't make summer come fast enough, and now it's over. October means the cold is coming, and when that happens the engines are freezing, so now it's my job to make sure that that doesn't happen and to keep everything organized. I mean, where are all the different boats located here on the area? Well, I like to do it the old-fashioned way. I've tried a bunch of things on the computer, didn't work. So now I have a blank canvas and I'm ready to bring out my marker. So, it's quite simple, but it does the job. So this is the main center, the sea center, and here we have another building, and in between those two buildings we are stacking a bunch of boats, not on top of each other, but next to each other, of course. This is Heitmann's place, so it's sort of their showroom. I can show you this another time. It's a beautiful place, and they have a lot of nice boats in here. I've done a couple of jobs already. The green flag means that the boat is frost secure, service and everything is done. If I have a couple of remarks, I can put a yellow flag on it. Or if there's something really serious going on, I didn't frost secure it for some reason, or something that I really need to pay attention to, I'm using the red flag. So if I need to find a boat, I can easily just take a look at the map and go in that direction, so I don't have to walk all over this area in search of the different boats. And then when I get to it, I mark the boat on site as well with a note. So, you know, this way I'm in total control. Coffee. It is essential. This machine right here is doing one of the most important jobs on site, no doubt. Speaking of important work, we are still working on the turbo and intercooler job. Yes, I know, you call Salty Mechanics and we'll have it done in no time. 5 weeks, 2 months, no problem. I know, it has been taking some time actually, but now we are going to change the seal on the shaft, and in order to get that done we need to lift the boat, so we need to get that done, and we will definitely take a test drive afterwards, so if you want to join then please do. happy with this. We got the engine up to 3,000 rounds per minute. Last time when we tested it, we had to abort because of all the water that was coming in. We got the engine up to 2,900 on that trip, and in the meantime we cleaned the boat underneath, got rid of all the algae and stuff, so I think it's a good number to be on. Now I think I'm just gonna finish cleaning and wrap it up. I just love that music, you know, it just sets me in the right mood for all the stuff I need to get done here at the office. Invoices going out, bills coming in, I have to plan a bunch of jobs and, you know, same. But something that is not going on here every night is that Sondre, he's gonna be here and he has a project in the other room. So I thought I could help him out a little bit and you guys can tag along. Let's go. Alright guys, I think that's it for this time. Now Sondre and I, we are just gonna sit here and relax and watch this movie. So I will see you next time. Take care, bye bye. Och så ser bilder så jävligt. Sån ja. Snurr film.